Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, at the very outset, I cannot help pointing out that wheat procurement and distribution policy of the Government of India has been marked by a stop-go attitude both in respect of governmental as well as private trade effort. Almost overnight, a decision was taken at the AICC session held in Bombay that government should take over the procurement and distribution of wheat through state agencies. I am aware that even earlier the party in power was wedded to this ideology. My point is that the decision was arrived at without adequate homework. It is one thing to formulate resolutions and another to implement them. A political party can easily indulge in the past time of drawing up resolutions than for any government to implement the resolutions into effective action. Our Prime Minister took a hard decision to modify this policy so that the government could procure enough wheat for distribution and take care that the vulnerable sections of the people are served fully through procurement efforts on the part of state agencies and the private traders. However, anyone following the development readily knew that quite a few state governments either did not understand the intent behind the new policy or were unwilling to make it a success for reasons of their own. In fact, the policy was implemented by Punjab and Haryana, the home state of the Prime Minister, has hardly helped the distribution system. While saying this, I should like to add that the traders overpitched the claim to procure wheat. I can understand governmental machinery making wrong estimates about the wheat crop and the procurement policy, but it is extraordinary that the traders should have made such a grievous error. possibly the traders through it politics to exaggerate their capacity so that it might be acceptable to the authorities on the one hand and also persuade the farmer to part with their stocks on the other ones. A psychology of plenty was created. The farmer in India is no less a businessman than a trader. He assessed the situation and set on the stocks for larger gains. Stop.